Oh, I hope you know.
So puno ng saya, mga konting tampuhan at away na nagpatibay talaga sa relasyon natin.
Oh, I know there's so many.
Thank you sa pagtsatsaga sa akin, sa pag-intindi. Kahit minsan ako mismo hindi ko maintindihan yung sarili ko. Maraming salamat.
We were talking to the sunset, throwing dreams against the wall. I know none of them are stuck yet, but I bet it on you, honey. Oh, I would risk it all. These days, these nights, I'm changing. My mind is set on you. I'm not.
Wala, tingnan nyo, dito yung mukha ko, wanted daw, oh. Ayan, oh, wanted daw, oh.
You know I will carry you up, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways that this could go. Don't want you.
Hanggang mamaya pa hindi ko galingan nyo. Dali na!
I choose us every time.
Uy, bye! Dito ka!
To say I do. Boy, I hope you know I will carry you up, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways that this could go. Don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know. In this and every life, I choose us every time.
After 11 years and countless experience na pinaghalo-halo, good, bad, sad, happy, at iba pa, after ng ilang unfriend at friend requests, pag nag-aaway, we're now finally here.
Salamat sa pagtupad mo sa pangako mo sa amin, nila mama at papa. Dahil doon, nandito tayo ngayon. Sa kabila ng mga pinagdaanan natin sa 11 years, natuto tayong mas lalong intindihin at mahalin ang isa't isa.
Alam ko na hindi perfect ang relationship natin, pero gagawin ko lahat ng makakaya ko para pasayahin ka, maibigay lahat ng kailangan mo at tulungan ka sa lahat ng mga bagay at damayan ka sa mga moments na nalulungkot ka.
Something that moves you. I don't have all the words to tell you how much you're worth.
Hag mo, mamu, dali.
Hag mo, mamu!
Something true. Something that moves you.
Salamat sa pagsuporta mo sa akin sa lahat ng bagay, lalo sa pag-aalaga ng mga aso at pusa. Bukod sa mga anak natin sa bahay, napapuno na ng papuno.
It's my heart in just one phrase. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Respeto at pagmamahalan ang dapat pairalin habang tinatahak niyong panibagong buhay.
All that I do, I know it will be nothing. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Heart na lang, heart.
I'm sure the angels sing beautiful melodies.
Basta mahaba ang pasensya, mas maintindihan, understanding, honest.
Oh, I wanna bring a song that's mine for the rest of my life. From the dawn to the dusk of my days, from the depths of my soul and with all of my strength, here is my heart in just one phrase. I love you, I love you.
Respect, support, and communicate with each other. That's the key, communication. Be faithful, honest, and true. Love each other with all of your heart.
I know it might be nothing new, but I love you, I love you, I love you.
Bago.
Bawasan mo na yung mga alaga mo.
Buwasan yung alaga.
Ano, pagsasama nyo habang buhay.
Kuya Yan, congratulations. This is the day. So, matagal namin pinagdasal na dumating ang araw na ito. So, ito ang aming panganay. So, we expect na maging maayos ka at yung iyong family.
I promise to make my accomplishments ours and your challenges mine. And to love you deeply and honestly as your teammate and your partner.
All it took was a little flame, a little flame. All it takes is a little faith, a little faith. What a joy, what an honor that I can say I get to wake up to your beautiful face. From the dawn to the dusk of my days, from the depths of my soul and with all of my strength, here is my heart in just one phrase. I love you, I love you, I love you. When I say it, I mean it, it's true. And I hope you can see it in all that I do. I know it might be.
I will always choose to put you first above anything else, every day and forever. Forsaking all others, I commit myself to you. I love you, Mommy.
Salamat sa lagi mong pagpili sa akin, Dad. Alam kong kakayanin natin lahat ng pagsubok natin sa buhay basta magkasama tayo palagi. I love you.
I love you, I love you, I love you.